All right, friends, to access the spark plugs, we need to go ahead and get the air intake out of the way. There's going to be a clamp right down here. Loosen that up. Come right up here to your air and temp sensor. Take that off of there. Come over to your box. Open up all of your clamps going all the way around. Remove this right here. Let's lift this up and off of here and set it aside. Let's grab this cover, lift it straight up, and get it out of here as well. Now we have a nice clear view of all of our coils along the passenger side. We're going to come over here to the lock. Go ahead and lift up on that so it's in the unlocked position. Take a nice screwdriver or even your thumb, press on this tab in the center, and then carefully lift this up and away. Now let's go ahead and remove our coil from here by removing the two mounting bolts. Grab your coil, give it a nice wiggle, and draw it away. Let's get the air filter out of here and set it aside. Now let's take some air, and we're going to blow it inside of our two tubes here. Now we're going to use our 5/8 spark plug socket, and we're going to come right inside the port and remove our spark plug. There it is, friends. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new spark plugs. You just want to pay special attention to this area here and make sure it didn't get peened over during shipping. Typically you shouldn't have to gap this, so let's go ahead and get it installed. Carefully put this in by hand, so that way there you're definitely not going to cross thread it in. We'll bottom this out and then we'll tighten it to manufacturer's specifications. Now we're going to go ahead and torque these to 13 foot-pounds. You definitely want to make sure you don't go higher than 15 foot-pounds because you could either damage the spark plug or even the head of the engine. The process will be the same for all the spark plugs. Obviously you want to do this one before you go ahead and put that coil back on. Now it's going to be time to get our coil on here. Before we go ahead and install it, let's use a little bit of dielectric grease on here. And now we'll just slide these down into the corresponding tubes. Start and bolt the bolts and we'll snug them up. Grab your electrical connector, slide it on here, lock it in, do the same to all. Get the air filter back in here. Let's get our engine cover back on here. Slide it over. Let's get our air inlet back in the area here. Tighten up that clamp. Air temp sensor. Put your air filter box back together. And of course, make sure you put your hose back on here. And there you are, friends. Close the hood, take it for a road test.